Today is 7th of March, 2025. I will go through network overview. Current network theories, all problem came from circuit switching to packet switching. And all right, there comes the problem. Then we should first talk about what is circuit switching and what is packet switching. Before that, I will talk about the network layer and what is the network? Network is moving the data from A to B. What is A? There is application layer and there is transport layer. Transport layer control to whether send or not send the packet. Packet is data to network layer. Network layer, there's router and switch. So each router packet tells each router to go to another B. And if it is very congested, then transport layer will not send it. And in network layer, network is consists of node and edge. Node will be router and switches. Also, there are important concept, which is L over R, which is push-up time. We didn't consider about transmission time, which this is just push-up time to put the data to network layer, which is L bit information over transmission rate R. Then this is push-up time. So back to the very main network issue. We said from circuit to packet switching, we changed it. This is kind of motivation. Then we should know why we changed it. There's very big. Circuit switching is from A to B just going. Packet switching is if there is two jobs, they are doing it, split it, do it. Like you have 3-hour jobs and 10-minute jobs. If you do it, finish this and do this, then this is 3 hour and 10 minutes. If you do 10-minute job and 3-hour job together, then 10-minute job will finish in 20 minutes. And during that day, for 20 minutes, we are to do 10 minutes of work. Then if we do it by alone, it is 10 minutes of work. And after that, when it finished, we will finish it in 22 hours and 50 minutes. Then total consumed hour is 3 hours and 30 minutes compared to 3 hours and 10 minutes. It's a bit longer. Then we can ask, why did we change the packet switching? Because we can do it both. So even in total hour perspective, it gets more time, but we can do it in several times. So we say packet switching is convenient when there is bursty data, like internet. Because of internet, we use packet switching because there are emails and there are stuff. Then you can't wait for just sending email for 3 hours because of other stuff. You should do this and this and this and this. That's why in internet era, packet switching come out. And we can go to a more really mathematical problem setup. We can go, there is one link from here to here, 1 megabyte. It provides 1 megabyte. If you use it by circuit switching, 10 people, and they want each user, this is condition, each user wants to at least have 100 kilobyte of speed, and they are active for 10% of time. This is important, active for 10% of time. This is kind of whether this is because this is the condition related to bursty data. They are only active in 10% of time. In this case, if we use circuit switching, 10 people can use 100 kilobyte per each, but when 11 people came up, he can't join here because already 10 people are using it fully. But if it is packet switching, then even 11 people came up, 11 people can come up, then we will calculate the probability of if it maybe like if it can go to when 11 people come up, when 12 people come up, we will calculate that possibility, which is there are 35 people and more than 11 people are active and more than 11 people are active. If we calculate all of it, then this probability is, if you calculate this is super low. So in this case, we can use Bursty, we can use packet switching because this probability is super low. So we can get more people, 11 people, 12 people. But when this 0.1, this active 10% of time increases to 60%, 70%. When it goes to 90%, then this probability becomes super high. Probability of more than 11 people. We'll actually use it for super high. Then packet switching is on trouble. And these days, because of it, because of people send video and very high amount data in real time again and again, and voice call and phone call, we are so research about we so-called multimedia network. These days, we should make packet switching works like circuit switching, but that's advanced topic. So this is a very basic before. And when it goes to packet switching, we basically meet two problems: tolerant and sensitive issue. When there was circuit switching, there was no collision issue, but in packet switching, there comes a right. Is it able to collision free? This become issue. I'm a bit confused about dedicated and circuit switching is same thing or shared thing, and packet switching is same thing. I will figure it out later. And so, anyway, when it comes to packet switching, tolerant and sensitive become main issue. Tolerant means, delay and loss become main issue. Delay is maybe when sending email, 1 or 2 seconds delay, maybe it can be tolerant, but when data loss happen, it will be sensitive. Maybe there can be other things. When you do phone call, may be both delay and loss sensitive issue. But sometimes delay is tolerant issue, but loss is sensitive. Sometimes delay is sensitive, loss is tolerant issue, so on. And so this ISP is Internet Service Protocol. We will use TCP, ISP, HTTP, and this so on when moving in between each other. And when we connect this, we can connect all of this. Then there will be 100C combination 2 number of choices happen. Then this is super cost expensive. We can use just hire one operator, but second option is we can use just one operator. But when one operator is not working, there comes a huge severe problem. So what we do is localize routers. And when we localize routers, then there comes the kind of problem. What is the best choice path to move to others? So there comes switches, and we should also look for optimal path issue. Yeah. So the important, very important concept we always keep in mind is also bandwidth. How can we move fast? Bandwidth is different by Wi-Fi has also their own bandwidth, and other thing has also have their own bandwidth. Bandwidth is bits per second. Bits per second. It will be good for remembering. And when you do packet switching, also there can be, if arrival rate to link exceeds transmission rate of link of period of time, packet will quay. And we can see the circuit switching from frequency point of view or time point of view or code point of view, we talk this as FDM, TDM, CDM, so on. And this is what the layer. There are 7 layers, but right now I bit simplified it. And we will also use Wireshark to generate packet and how they send each other. Thank you.